Hello students, myself Bishwati Gurji. In the previous class, we have discussed about minerals, vitamins, water and the various types of digestion. Those were intercellular digestion and the extracellular digestion. Today, we will start the new topic, that is digestive system of man. So the first point, digestive system is also known as gastrointestinal system. Digestive system is also known as gastrointestinal system. What do you mean by gastrointestinal? Gastrointestinal means it is an organ in which whole nutrition process takes place. As you can remind, nutrition process involves various steps such as ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and also egestion. So gastrointestinal is the organ in which we can say the whole nutrition system can take place. So that is why the digestive system is also known as the gastrointestinal system, or else we can say digestive system, we can say, or we can call otherwise the gastrointestinal system. Achha, what are the various parts involved in the digestive system of man? Digestive system of human being or the digestive system of man consists of two major parts. One is the alimentary canal, other one is the associated glands. Digestive system consists of alimentary canal and various associated glands. So what is alimentary canal? We will read about the alimentary canal in detail, but simply we can say alimentary canal is a long tube-like structure in which the various steps such as I said earlier, the various steps such as ingestion, digestion, absorption or assimilation and egestion or elimination of undigested food particles takes place. So this is a long tube-like structure in which the various steps or the various steps involved in the nutrition process takes place. That is called the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. So another portion is the associated glands. What are the associated glands? The associated glands secrete various digestive juices which helps in breaking down the complex food material into simpler molecules so that they can be absorbed easily or absorbed directly. Associated glands secretes various digestive juices which helps in breaking down of complex food particles into simpler forms so that it can be absorbed directly into the body fluid. बुझिपारे बॉडी फ्लूइड माने होची फॉर एग्जांपल ब्लड और lymph which are the various circulatory media. So the digestive system consists of alimentary canal which we will read in detail in the next portion. The alimentary canal is a simple tube like structure which is slightly coiled and it helps in carrying out the various steps that involves under the nutrition such as ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and the egestion. Whereas the associated glands secretes various digestive juices. Associated glands secretes various digestive juices which helps in breaking down the complex food materials into simpler forms, by which the simpler forms can be directly absorbed into the body fluid such as blood or lymph. तो बुझिपारे associated glands secretes various digestive juices which helps in breaking down of complex food particles into simpler forms so that it can be absorbed directly into the body fluid. Next, we'll read in detail about the next two portions, that are the alimentary canal and the associated glands. Now we'll discuss the main portion of digestive system, that is alimentary canal. First point, the alimentary canal is a long muscular tube-like structure which extends from mouth up to anus. It is a long muscular tube-like structure which extends from mouth to anus. Means the alimentary canal is a long tube-like structure which extends from mouth to anus. माने कौन? Alimentary canal होची गोटे portion जोटा कि extend करे start हुए from mouth to its end at the anus, and it is a long tube-like structure. Second point, its length is about 9 meter with variable diameter. Its length is about 9 meter with variable diameter. The diameter of the alimentary canal is not same throughout the alimentary canal. It varies accordingly, as the alimentary canal is a long tube-like structure starting from the mouth to the anus. Its whole diameter changes according to the structure. From mouth to anus, the diameter is not same. It may vary, or we can say the length of the alimentary canal is 9 meter but with a variable diameter. Next, what are the various parts that are present in the alimentary canal? Alimentary canal consists of 8 major parts: mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and lastly anus. It consists of mainly 8 parts. Number 1, mouth. Number 2, buccal cavity. Number 3, pharynx. Number 4, esophagus. As the word esophagus is started from the letter O, we'll say esophagus, not oesophagus. We'll pronounce it as esophagus, not oesophagus. After the esophagus, fifth one is your stomach. Then small intestine. Large intestine. Lastly, eighth one is the anus. Okay? So the alimentary canal consists of 8 major parts. First one is the mouth, then the buccal cavity, then the pharynx, then the esophagus. Mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and lastly anus. तर ये हमें तीनटा जेंडर पॉइंट जानिले. First one, the alimentary canal is a long muscular tube-like structure. Second point, its length is about 9 meter with variable diameter. Means the diameter across the alimentary canal is not same. It may vary. It varies. And the last point is it consists of majorly 8 parts. As I said earlier, mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Now we will discuss each portion of alimentary canal in detail. First, now we will discuss the mouth. Now we will discuss in detail all the various parts of the alimentary canal. First we will discuss mouth. First point, mouth is a transverse slit-like opening guarded by 2 soft and movable lips. लिखी दो first. It is a transverse slit-like opening guarded by 2 soft and movable lips. So the first point कौन हम जाने पहले, mouth is a transverse means this section will say transverse. बुझ पाले एमती धर नियंतु गोटे सेक्शन को ए बडे सेक्शन को, ए सेक्शन को हम देखु जे इट इज कॉल्ड द ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन. बुझ पाले माउथ इज ए ट्रांसवर्स स्लिट लाइक ओपनिंग. स्लिट मींस ओपनिंग, कट, गोटे स्लाइटली कट, गोटे नॉर्मल एरिया को जब हम कट कर दवा ट्रांसवर्सली ताको हम कहि परिबा सेही बडे स्ट्रक्चर होची माउथ. तो माउथ इज ए ट्रांसवर्स स्लिट लाइक ओपनिंग गार्डेड बाय 2 upper lip and the lower lip, 2 soft lips and the movable lips. बुझ पाले mouth is a transverse slit like opening guarded by 2 soft and movable lips. It is a transverse slit like opening guarded by 2 soft and movable lips. Second point, mouth leads to the next portion, that is the buccal cavity. The mouth leads to buccal cavity or we can say oral cavity. Mouth leads to buccal cavity or oral cavity. माउथ माने को पोर्शन को हम कहि परिबा ए पोर्शन ता होची माउथ लिड्स माने ता द्वारा से कहा को एंट्री करूछ किबा माउथ रो पर पोर्शन ता कोन तो माउथ लीड्स टू ए जो भीतर हमर पोर्शन को हम कहबा बकल कैविटी किबा ओरल कैविटी ए जो पोर्शन को माउथ लीड्स टू वी कैन से टू द बकल कैविटी और टू द ओरल कैविटी. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट द अपर लिप consists of a shallow median depression called philtrum. The upper lip consists of a shallow median depression called philtrum. As we know, the mouth is guarded by two lips, upper lip and the lower lip. The upper lip consists of a shallow median depression. माने आपण जदि मार्क करिवे ए मिडिल पोर्शन रे हमर गोटे पोर्शन के खालुआ हेकिना अछि ता माने वी कैन से ए मीडियन कोठी ठीक मीडियन माने होची मची मीडियन माने मची डिप्रेशन माने गोटे खालुआ लाइक पोर्शन ताहले द अपर लिप एटा लोअर लिप एटा अपर लिप द अपर लिप कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए मीडियन माने मझी रे शैलो डिप्रेशन माने गोटे खालुआ बेले पोर्शन प्रेजेंट अछि द अपर लिप कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए शैलो मीडियन डिप्रेशन कॉल्ड philtrum. ए जो मझी पोर्शन आपण देखुछंती जोटा टिके खालुआ हेक अछि अपर लिप रे ताको हम कोन कहिथाओ philtrum बोल एटा आपनकर ऑब्जेक्टिव रे आसी पारे PHILTRUM स्पेलिंग बोल करिवेनी PHILTRUM एटा आपन ऑब्जेक्टिव रे आसी पारे टी मन रखथां द अपर लिप consists of a shallow median depression called philtrum. Last point under the mouth or the lips helps in opening or closing of the mouth and also it helps in speech. Lips helps in opening or closing of mouth and also it helps in speech. Mouth not only just helps in opening or closing of the mouth but also it helps in the speech. कथा कहबारे भी हेल्प करे आउ पार्टी को से ओपन करिवारे किंबा क्लोज करिवारे से हमको हेल्प करते ताहले these are the 4 point that comes under the mouth. First one is it is a transverse slit like opening guarded by two soft and movable lips. Second point, mouth leads to buccal cavity or we can say oral cavity. Third point, the upper lip consists of a shallow median depression called philtrum. Fourth point, lips helps in opening and closing of the mouth and also it helps in speech. Next we'll discuss the next portion, that is the buccal cavity. Next we'll discuss the portion present in the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity basically consists of three major portions. One is the palate, second is the teeth, third one is the tongue. First one is the palate, second one is the teeth, third one is the tongue. So in detail we'll discuss about the palate, then we'll discuss about the teeth, then we'll discuss about the tongue. So first we'll discuss about the palate. What is palate? Palate is a closed cavity bounded laterally by cheeks, buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is a closed cavity bounded laterally by cheeks. On the roof, palate is present, and on the floor, the tongue is present. Buccal cavity is a closed chamber bounded laterally by cheeks, palate on the roof, and tongue on the floor. Buccal cavity माने कौन? It is a closed cavity that is bounded laterally by cheeks. On the upper surface or the roof, we can say palate is present, and on the floor, tongue is present. Next, we'll discuss palate. Palate means what? Palate is a plate-like substance which divides or which separates the nasal cavity and the buccal cavity. It is a plate-like structure which separates the buccal cavity and the nasal cavity. Palate माने हमें को स्ट्रक्चर को कही परिबा this structure, this is our buccal cavity, this is our nasal cavity. So the palate is a plate like structure which separates the nasal cavity and the buccal cavity. It is a plate like structure. This is a plate like structure which separates the nasal cavity and the buccal cavity. Further, palate is divided into two types: anterior hard palate, posterior soft palate. It is divided into two parts: anterior hard palate and posterior soft palate. ये जो अपर पोर्शन को जदि हम देखिबा the palate is being divided into two major parts. Anterior is the hard palate माने ये structure टा टिके hard रहियो. It is present in the anterior portion of the palate region. And another portion is present on the posterior region of the palate, that is called the soft palate region, which is somehow fleshy and soft like structure. Hard palate, as I have said earlier, the hard palate is present in the anterior region of the palate, and hard palate consists of some transverse ridges. Transverse ridges माने the surface टा टिके rough like थिबो. Those are called ryuge. Hard palate consists of transverse ridges called as এটা মনে রাখন্তু ryuge. Important data objective, the transverse ridges that are present in the anterior hard palate region is known as ryuge. ए जदी हमें ई anterior portion को देखिबा ए टिके रफ अछि, ए जो ए स्ट्रक्चर को जदी अपन टच करिवे एठी टिके अपन को रफ बढ़िया लागे. So those are the transverse ridges like structure which are known as ryuge. Ryuge रा function कोन? It helps in holding the food while mastication of the food. जेतेबेला हम खाद्य को चोबई थाउ से कोन करता है, खाद्य को प्रॉपर्ली धरिबारे हेल्प करे, जहा द्वारा कि सेटा को ठीक तरह से माने mastication माने ठीक से चोबईबारे से खाद्य को हेल्प करे. Ryuge रा function कोन? It helps in holding the food during mastication. माने खाद्य को चोबेला बेले से खाद्य को ठीक से प्रॉपर्ली तार जगह रे ठीक से रखिया को हेल्प करे, जहा द्वारा कि खाद्य को इजीली mastication किबा चोबेबारे से हेल्प करते हैं. खाद्य को प्रॉपर्ली से एमती होल्ड करके रखले जहा द्वारा कि खाद्यटा प्रॉपर्ली मिसप्लेस हबन, जहा द्वारा कि खाद्य को हम ठीक से चोबई पाए. So the hard palate consists of transverse ridges called as ryuge, which helps in holding the food during mastication. माने खाद्य को चोबेया पई से हेल्प करे.